The new Christopher Ward military series is a revision of the first generation launched in 2019 that was also officially approved by British Ministry of Defence, making it one of only 5 brands with that title. The lineup refresh has been done with 3 models covering 3 areas. A pilot watch called Cranwell based on the historical JLC Mark XI, a dive watch called Darmouth based on the 1957 Omega Seamaster 300, and this, a field watch called Sandhurst based on the, again, historical Smiths W10 field watch. This one is also the only one that comes in both steel for $1,080 and bronze at $1,205. All the watches in the lineup are powered by a Sellita SW200 that has been COCS certified, thus the chronometer inscription on the dial, making them slightly more special than regular offerings. The size has also been spot on with this one, coming in at 38mm in diameter and under 44 lug to lug, meaning it will wear perfect on any size wrist. Being vintage inspired, I believe the size is pretty much perfect as you get the vintage proportions but slightly more wrist presence. Despite it featuring their modern light catcher case, the watch looks vintage thanks to the warmth of the bronze and also the boxed sapphire crystal that gives the look of a vintage acrylic but with modern scratch resistance. The strap is a canvas with leather on the underside. It is quite thick and stiff, but once you break it in to follow the contour of your wrist, it makes the wear incredibly comfortable and matches the watch pretty much perfect looks-wise. The dial is very minimalistic and incredibly legible, as you would expect from a military watch, with Arabic numerals and a railroad track on the outer edge done in white, and loom plots done in sand color. Both the numerals and markers are loomed, and despite the markers being sand colored, they all glow the same. The departure from a traditional military watch is in the hands. Using their signature hands, Christopher Ward made a gamble, and I'm sure there will be people who will dislike that decision. I have to say I'm not one of them. The oversized hands with their presence, size, and difference between the hour and minute hand make the watch even more legible than the original W10, while also making it unmistakably a Christopher Ward. I personally love when a brand establishes its own DNA and carries it over their whole lineup, which is exactly what this watch does. The light catcher case and their signature hands make it a Christopher Ward, while the dial layout and crystal shape make it a W10 watch. With this, they created their own version of the legendary military watch and made it more modern and, to be honest, more legible, which in my book reads better. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.